Hello friends, welcome to our video on the parts of speech. Title: Understanding the parts of speech. Today we are going to learn about the building blocks of English sentences, the parts of speech. Nouns. Nouns are the names of people, places, things, or ideas. For example, Sarah, cat, and book are all nouns. Sarah reads a book. Sarah is a noun. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Cat is a noun. Pronouns. Pronouns take the place of nouns. Instead of saying Sarah over and over, we can use she. Sarah is my friend. She is very kind. She is a pronoun. The book is on the table. It is interesting. It is a pronoun. Verbs. Verbs are action words. They tell us what someone or something is doing. Sarah runs every morning. Here, runs is a verb. He reads a book every night. Here, reads is a verb. Adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns and adjectives. They give us more details. Sarah has a big red apple. Here, big and red both are adjectives. The boy is very happy. Here, very is an adjective. Adverbs. Adverbs describe how actions are done. They usually describe verbs. He runs quickly. Here, quickly is an adverb. She sings softly. Here, softly is an adverb. Prepositions. Prepositions show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. The cat is on the box. Here, on is a preposition. The dog is under the table. Under is a preposition. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. They connect words, phrases, or clauses. Sarah and Tom are friends. Here, and is a conjunction. He is smart but lazy. Here, but is a conjunction. Interjunctions. Interjunctions are words that express strong emotions. They stand alone in a sentence. Interjunctions end with exclamation mark. Wow, that's amazing. Wow is an interjunction. Oh no, I forget my homework. Here, oh is an interjunction. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please to like and subscribe.